Happy National Ceiling Fan Day, everybody. It is September 18, 2020. So today is National Ceiling Fan Day. So, here we have a Harbor Breeze Crosswind in bronze finish. I'm gonna run it on high. There goes that. Also, before you do a National Ceiling Fan Day video, make sure you turn off the AC. And so that way we can turn on the fans and not turn on the AC. Medium, 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 low. There they are running. Alright. And here we have a Troposair 2 ceiling fan. Gonna run it on high. And please excuse that radio back in the background. I'm sorry for that, guys. Yeah. Here's that. And I'm gonna run the Aire Breeze on high. Run the Massey fan on high. Two of them. Run this on high. And run this on high. Run my sister's Harbor Breeze Whitestar on high. And run my mom's Crest 4500 series ceiling fan. There it is on high. And that is National Ceiling Fan Day 2020, September 18. Make sure you comment, rate, subscribe, and turn on my post notifications. Hope you guys have a great National Ceiling Fan Day 2020.